Alright, welcome back guys. Today we'll be learning about parent class aspect modifiers. So you may recall that Java class members use private and public access modifiers to determine whether they can be accessed from outside the class, or does the child class inherit its parents' private members? Well, no, but there's another access modifier we can use to keep a parent class member accessible to its child classes. And to files in the package it's contained in, otherwise private. It's called protected. So you have the public, protected, no modifier, and private. So if you have a public modifier, it means the class can see it, the package can see it, the child class can see it, and the global, like everything can use it, okay? Protected is the class can see it, package can see it, child class can see it, but global cannot see it. And then no modifier is only the class and package can see it, but the child class and global can't. So here's what protected looks like in use. So it's only the child class of the shape can access parameter. And in addition to access modifiers, there's another way to establish how child classes can interact with inherited parent class members using the final keyword. If we add final after a parent class method's access modifier, we disallow any child classes from changing that method. This is helpful in limiting bugs that might occur from modifying a particular method. Though it's not required, there is an established order when two or more fields are used, uh, for example, public final. And then there's documentation on that if you want to read that up. But currently, here is our tasks. Currently, noodle has an ingredients attribute, and its child class ramen cannot access because it has a private access modifier. Change the access modifier for ingredients so the ramen, not just any Java file in the package, can access it. Okay. Ingredients, we'll do protected. Okay, perfect. Now, noodle is tasty. Noodle has an is tasty method that returns true because noodles are tasty. But if you check in the ramen class, you'll see someone overrode is tasty to return false. That person clearly doesn't know food. So, all noodles are definitely tasty. So remove the method from ramen and add a final keyword to is tasty in the noodle so that nobody can change the method in any other noodle child class again. So we'll do public final boolean, run it. No. Oh, okay, we're just changing the so we cannot do that. Hmm. Okay, I see. So here's what we need to do. Let's make this final and let's remove this completely because we cannot overwrite it anymore because there's a final keyword. There you go. It's always going to return true. It's tasty. Yep, it's true. Alright, so that's going to end the video for parent class asset modifiers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please comment down below if these are helpful. Like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.